In today's video, I'll show you how to change the display name that appears when you send emails from Outlook Mail. This update changes only your display name, not your email address, and it applies across Outlook on the web, the desktop app, and other Microsoft services connected to your account. Start by signing into your Microsoft account using the same account you use for Outlook Mail. You may be asked to verify your identity with a code or authenticator app. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts, make sure you're editing the correct one. It's best to sign in on a trusted device and a secure network. Once logged in, go to your info, found at the top of the account navigation or by clicking your profile icon. This section contains your personal details, including the name that displays to email recipients. On mobile devices, you may need to open the menu to locate the option. Next, click Edit Name near your current profile name. If you don't see this option, your account may be managed by an organization, meaning name changes must be handled by an administrator. Personal Microsoft accounts will always show the editable fields. Enter your updated first and last name, then click Save. Make sure spelling, capitalization, and accents are correct so your name appears exactly as you want it. Some regions also offer middle name or suffix fields, which are optional. For work-related accounts, choose a professional display name since this is what people will see in their inbox. After saving, allow some time for the change to sync. Sometimes it updates instantly, but in other cases it may take a little while to reflect in Outlook and on future emails. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing, signing out, or checking again later. Remember, this process changes only your display name, your email address and aliases remain the same.